Kubota zg327 running 1 cylinder replaces igniter coils. Still same problem. Good spark both cylinders. Replaces all fuel filters.
Welcome to Just Answer Small Engines. Let me try to help you. With twin cylinder engine and the non-firing cylinder, you would want to check for compression, and if compression is good, remove the rocker cover and check the valves. You could have a broken rocker arm or pushrod that would keep the cylinder from firing.
Took off valve cover, pushrod dislodged, reassembled, started. Still same problem. Could it be carb? Pushrod was not bent, however the valve was sticky. When we reseated the pushrod and started the engine, the valve didn't stick. Still running on 1 cylinder. Really stumped.
No, not likely. Go back to the cylinder. You can gave a valve that is stuck. Was the pushrod bent or just out? It has to have reason for coming out. I suspect you still have problem with the valves. Leave valve cover off, remove the spark plug wires and crank engine and watch the valves. Go back and check the spark and change spark plug. If engine has been missing for a while, the ports could be plugged up in the head. Have you checked the compression on the cylinders?
JustAnswer compression 0 running cyl is 150.
So you have valve not seating, or the piston isn't going up and down. I suspect valve problem.
I will pull off head to CK further. I have head bolt torque spec in my manual. We'll get back to you later. If that's not correct procedure, please reply. I'm pretty mechanical, not afraid to try.
Okay, let me know what you find.
Bent valve. We'll order new valve and components tomorrow. Would you know head bolt torque sequence for Kubota zg327? Great job on diagnostics. You get 5 stars from me.
Torque sequence? Just start in center and work out, in X pattern. I didn't find one listed for the ZG series.
Okay, not bent valve, it was so carbon up it wouldn't seat. Had my first experience with lapping compound and electric drill. Valve seated perfect, got my compression back, started engine, wow, 2 cylinders. Another learning experience for me and my son. Thank you. And you will receive the highest ranking. A lot of work but saved many $.
Good job. Thank you.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/ythi.